My name is Nana. This is Jeff.
Hi.
I'm Christian.
We met up at OHSU Children's Hospital.
They had this whole thing set up in the corner, and I just did model magic.
Yeah, he loves that. So it's kind of like relaxing for him before go in and see a doctor.
They make it all possible for us.
Right? Yeah, we want to thank you, the supporters. Without your supports, we not gonna have fun like this, and especially right now, coronavirus, nobody go anywhere. So thank you very much.